Three tribes that preserve their cultural heritage by all means. When it comes to their culture, they don't compromise. These ones, they will make sure keep their own culture. Number three, you see the Basotho people. Those ones. This one, they don't care whether it's raining, whether it's extremely hot. They will make sure they don't throw away that blanket. You see, if you're a Sotho person and you don't have that ngubo, I'm telling you, you're going to be disowned. The Basotho people, big ups. Even their language, they don't compromise. Whether you don't understand it or not, they will still speak isiSotho. Those people, big ups to Basotho people. Number two, you see the Xhosa people. Those ones, they will host imigidi in the suburbs area. They don't care whether you are rich or not. You have to go to Entabeni. Whether you are a Christian, whether you are a non-Christian, no matter what religion you are, Entabeni you must go as a man. Those ones, when they come to their culture, they don't care. Whether you are rich, whether you are poor, those ones, when it's December time, you must go to the Eastern Cape. And you must go there. You must make sure you follow the traditions there, because they don't care whether you are rich or not. Big ups to the Xhosa people and keeping their culture. Number one, the Zulu Kingdom. You see the Zulu people. Those ones, when it comes to their culture, they don't play. They make sure they preserve their cultural heritage by any means. You see those ones, even if you are a millionaire, when it's time for uphahla, you must, whether you like it or not. Those ones, they don't play. They make sure even when you get married, there must be a traditional wedding. Whether you are rich or poor, a traditional marriage is a must. You see their cultural clothing. When you go home, you must make sure you have it. Whether it's a ceremony, whether whatever event that you are doing, they make sure they wear their cultural clothing. You see even the Zulu slay queens, they even listen to umaskandi. Whether you are a slay queen or not, there's no way you can't be a fan of umaskandi. You know when you are a Zulu person, when it's December time, it's a must, you must go home and phahla. Whether you like it or not, big up to Zulu people for keeping and preserving their traditional heritage. Guys, that was the top three people that I know when it comes to their cultural heritage. They make sure they preserve it. Which ones did I forget, guys? You want Miss Nagamadua?